Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. I also invite you guys to subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I upload new content. It's FPV Friday, y'all. And so I'm back out here at the park that I fly at. And I brought one of my FPV drones out here. This one is the Xing 110. And mine is heavily modded. You can still get this thing, but again, mine is heavily modded. It comes with a different set of motors on there, and there's a different camera in here. I'm a sucker for CCD cameras. I don't know what's the big deal with the CMOS cameras. They're just not clear enough for me, especially since I've experienced digital FPV. But anyhow, FPV Friday. Going to get this guy up in the air. These are different props too. Doesn't come with these props. I forget what props these are though. If it comes to me what props these are, I'll put them in the video or in the description to let you guys know what props they are. This is a run cam I have in here. A run cam CCD cam in here. And I'm about to fly it with a 450 GMB. It's a high voltage, but I got it charged to normal voltage. 2S. Let's get it. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Where the heck did I crash here? Looks like we're over there. Let me hurry up and get over there before the car run me over. This lady just ran over my darn. The motors might have survived. Sheesh. Looks like the cam is still working. Well, not the best ending for FPV Friday, but hey, you win some, you lose some. Stuff like this happens in the hobby.